Okay, so following on from our sandwich menus, recipes, we did the croque monsieur. Now I'm going to do a club sandwich, which a lot of you will know and be familiar with. Most restaurants and hotels have this on their menu. They normally do it as a triple layer with sliced bread. I'll do it a little bit different for today. I've got, again, the sourdough bread, which I quite like, but you can use any bread for this. You can use a sliced bread, you can do it triple layer. There's a lot of flapping around. This is, I think, much tastier way to do it. So I've got two nice slices of bread here. I've got some roast chicken that's been sliced. I've got some grilled bacon, tomato, lettuce. We've got some mayonnaise. And then I always add a touch of Dijon because I like that. You can put the mustard in or not put it in. I just think it just gives that, lifts that flavour up a little bit more. And then traditionally they put hard-boiled egg in to this, but we're going to do a fried egg with a soft yolk because it always makes it yummy. So what we're going to do first, we're going to put some mayo on both these slices of bread. I've toasted them both, so they're both nice and crispy. Crispy toasted. And again, this sandwich here costs $1.63 to make, but obviously this is a big sandwich. You could probably share this with someone, unless you're me and Jack. We'd probably eat this on our own. So bit of mustard on both sides, so that just lifts the flavour. This is very easy and quick once you've got the recipes. Bit of salad, because obviously we want to stay a little bit healthy with some ingredients. Then we're going to put the roast chicken on. Layer that on. 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces there. Lovely. Then we're going to have a couple of slices. We need more than 2 slices. Let me just slice a little bit more. You can put this in any order you like, really. It's just the way I'm doing it. I think the layers just work better when you've got a bit of salad, bit of tomato, bit of meat, because we're then going to put the bacon on next. So this is a pimped up BLT, really. Additional recipes. And then we're going to take the fried egg, which I've already cooked, pop that in the centre because you want to cut through that when you're doing it. This bread is quite long. Whoop, wrong way around. Put that on there like that. Squash that right down, because what that will do is burst that egg and just get those juices flowing. Going to cut through this. This is quite a big sandwich, as I say. You can make it with just normal bread and it'll be enough for one person. This is my son's favourite sandwich. You've got all those lovely layers in there. You've got the egg in there. Serve it just as it is. Plate of chips, a little bit of salad, just to make it a little bit chefy. But that is a very easy, very cheap sandwich. For one person, $1.63. You share that, that's what, I'm trying to add 80 to 90 pence for each person. Some salad or chips. Really lovely, really tasty. You can even make this in the morning, wrap it up nice and tight in some foil, take it to work and make all your friends jealous because you'll have a better sandwich than them. Enjoy.